I can do it in 20 minutes. I can do it in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes. Does that mean 20 minutes from now? Or it takes 20 minutes. I can do it in 20 minutes. Actually, using in followed by a time period does have two meanings. Knowing this is going to make your English conversation sound much smoother. Let's study together. Hello and welcome to another English vocabulary lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to study English here with me today. Using in followed by a time period can actually have two different meanings. So, for today's English lesson, let's check it out. First of all, we use in followed by a time period to mean a certain point in the future from right now. In 20 minutes, it's 5 o'clock now. In 20 minutes means something's happening at 5:20. In is related to now, and in means from right now. Well, let me see, I'm busy right now, but I can cook dinner in 20 minutes. I can cook dinner in 20 minutes means 20 minutes from now. I'm so excited, I'm going on vacation in a month. In a month means 1 month from now. Listen, Jack said he'll be here in an hour. In an hour means 1 hour from now. On the other hand, we use in followed by a time period to talk about the time required or how long it takes for something to happen. In this case, in followed by a time period means within. And when we use in followed by a time period with this meaning, we're generally talking about our ability to do something within a certain amount of time. Yeah, I have a lot of experience cooking. I can cook dinner in 20 minutes. In this case, in 20 minutes means within 20 minutes, I can cook dinner. I can usually reach my office in 45 minutes. In 45 minutes means it takes 45 minutes to get to my office. I don't know. I guess I can finish that report in about 2 hours. In about 2 hours means it's going to take me about 2 hours to complete that report. So let's review. I can cook dinner in 20 minutes. That is not a very clear sentence because it could mean that I only need 20 minutes to cook dinner, or it means I'm going to start cooking 20 minutes from now. So you might be thinking, well, Michael, how do I know what the meaning is? It all depends on the context. You can't just drop a sentence with in 20 minutes on the table without any kind of context. I'm a little busy right now, but I can cook dinner for you in 20 minutes. In that case, you can get a sense that I'm talking about 20 minutes from now. But I can cook dinner in 20 minutes because I'm a really experienced chef. In this case, you can understand from the context that it only takes me about 20 minutes to prepare a meal. Context is king. Now, I know that when you study English in school, especially with grammar patterns, you only practice one grammar pattern over and over again without any context. And that is what makes it really hard to remember. When you're studying grammar or even vocabulary, try to take that phrase, put it in a sentence that has context related to you, and then study your sentences. Better yet, take those sentences and write them in the comments below. I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.